My friend and I were just talking about this Bible verse this morning. Did he tell you?
Well, yes, never did.
Yeah. All right, folks. So we're now joined by Nickeisha Toyloy. She's the owner of Sublime Designs, and she's going to talk to us about her business and how she uses sublimation printing to create personalized products. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Simone.
How are you this morning?
I'm doing great.
I'm glad you're here. Thank you for joining us. So when we talk about sublimation, talk to me a little bit about that process. When I hear it, it sounds like I go under and somebody hypnotizes me, but nothing don't go so.
Not even close.
What is it?
It's really a chemical process. Literally, it's a substance moving from a solid state to a gas state. So you really have three states of matter. You have solid, liquid, gas. But because of the high heat and the extreme pressure, you just skip the liquid stage altogether and it's solid to gas, permanent.
This sounds like physics.
Science.
No thanks. So how did you end up doing this?
Well, I believe I got this idea. I wanted something that was my own, that was unique to me, and that something that I could use all my skills with, which is I love attention to detail. I love solving problems. And this takes so much effort, but the payoff is so great. It was ideal when I felt I got this idea from God, honestly. And when I researched it, I just went all in. It was just so great how far we can personalize just about everything that you see here. Yeah.
So what were you doing before?
I am currently a pharmacist. I have been a pharmacist for 13 years. That is my passion because it's serving people. Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
You have a lot of passions.
Yeah.
But that's good.
Yes.
You know, and it's good when you can also live out all your passions. I
In
feel
different
like,
avenues.
Yeah, man. Because I read a quote the other day that said, I want to die living.
Yes.
You know? You got to feel like you've just poured everything out. By the time that time comes, you say, okay, I checked every box.
And that is so important. Feel fulfilled.
Yeah, for sure. So when did you start this? It was 2 years ago?
We launched last year, December.
We
launched last year, December. And it's been so great. The Christmas season was great with how the support that we got. I was so grateful. People in Westmoreland, where I'm from, really supported me. I'm so glad.
So how did you, so wait. So you decided, okay, I want to sublimate.
Yes.
I want to sublimate.
Right.
I know that's a verb. And so you went now, you did all your research.
Right.
Was that difficult?
It wasn't difficult. Information is there, but it does require a lot. There are less labor-intensive ways to do designs, but when I saw this and the permanency of it, this is what I really wanted.
And so what makes this different? Because there are a lot of people now putting stuff on stuff.
Yeah.
So what makes sublimation different from a regular print?
Well, because of the process, and it's so permanent, these things are not on top of. You can't scratch them off.
Not
They are
strip ever.
Never. You can machine wash these once they're dirty, and it's fine. They're good as new. The permanency of it is what I like, and the personalization aspect. Okay. Full colors
so let
possible.
me hold this up. Kylos' camera. This is what Nick is talking about, right?
Yeah.
So this is like into the bag.
It's in the fibers. It's not nowhere.
It's not a film on top. It's not rubber. It's not. Right. Okay. So it's there to stay.
To stay.
All right. So you have, obviously you make bags.
Yes.
You do make coasters.
We do coasters that go along with the mugs.
Do people still use coasters?
They do. You have to protect your surfaces, and it's just a nice accent piece.
Yes. So this one is Joy to the World. We're not quite there yet, but just an example of what, actually, Christmas in July is a thing.
Yeah.
Is a thing. You make stickers.
Yes.
Okay. And then the cups over here. Can we get a shot of the table over there? We don't have to go over there. You can get the shot for us. But the cups are lovely. Yes. And I think for people like me who always have a cup of coffee, those are ideal. Great is thy faithfulness. What does the other one say?
So we have
perfect. What does it say?
The one with the elephant has four sayings. Am I supposed to be able to see this one so far? Could I pick it up?
Yes.
All right, so I chose not perfect, just forgiven.
Oh.
I will walk by faith even when I cannot see.
Love.
Be still and know, and I can do all things through Christ.
Okay, so am I going to guess that everything is religious based?
Right, so we launched a faith collection last month, and so these are all from the faith collection, where you can customize an animal that speaks to you, along with a Bible verse or just a saying that is inspirational.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you going to sub something for us this morning?
Yes, just to show you the quick process.
Let us
So
see.
our press is ready. So what is important for the process is high heat. So this goes to about 400 degrees Celsius.
Wow, that's high.
And then there's pressure. So I have a mug ready to go. It's gonna look almost as beautiful as that, but
this
even
one?
well to the white size.
Oh, okay.
Right. We're ready to go.
This one says, but first pray, I can do all things through Christ
Yeah.
who strengthens me.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's green, so it's ready.
Yes.
We're just gonna place it in.
Yes. So we have different presses for different, so the bag press would look
Right, that would be like a big iron.
What are we putting on this, Nickeisha?
You will see.
Oh.
It's a surprise.
So where do you
So here's the thing. This press is so great, it's automatic. I have to set no temperature, no pressure. It does it for me.
But how do you input the graphic or what?
So we printed it using a special ink from the printer. It's not your regular ink. Don't think you can, no. So it's special sublimation ink on the paper, and then because of the heat that transfers it from a solid state, it gets infused to the gas state, goes onto the material.
So there's a paper in here that is
No. This is just a press. I did all the heavy lifting before I came here.
Look at you.
Yeah, we wouldn't have time for that.
Oh, so is the paper what's wrapping the mug?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, the design is on there.
Nice.
Yes, the design is on there. So
She's trying not to tell us our secret too much. Okay, you cannot, it's our business.
No.
Okay, gotcha.
Right. So once the heat and the pressure meets it, it gets infused onto the coating that has to be on the cup. I think when I started out, persons always said, "Oh, could I give you my cup when you design?" But it's so important that it's a special kind of cup with a coating that we provide everything.
Yes.
We'll do it
but
all.
you also need to be able to fit it in the standard machine.
Right.
That's
So
important.
measurements, there's too many things to be thinking of.
Yes,
so we
yes,
provide it all.
Okay.
Just give us your ideas.
Okay.
Yeah, this
So
takes
give you
about
my
4 minutes.
Give you my animal, whatever it is, and you
Right.
will make it happen.
Yeah, we do logos as well, and we do, if you want pictures, we're there. Just speak with us.
Oh,
Yeah.
Love. All right, so how long does this take?
It takes about 4 minutes. We're just watching the timer to count down.
4 minutes.
Yes.
So, if it is, July, we're heading into Christmas. These are great Christmas gifts. That's a lot of lead time. But if it is that somebody wants to get something done, how much lead time do you need to be able to get it done properly?
So I always tell people when they ask me that the process takes as long as the design process does. That's the rate limiting step. Some persons know exactly what they want. Some persons need to be led a bit and for us to work it out, which is why I have collections just to give you ideas. But it's totally customizable. So if you're ready to go, design is ready in a day, you can have your product within 2 days. And we use Knotsford Express, Zip Mail, and Tara to ship the products island-wide.
Island-wide?
Yeah.
Okay. Nobody overseas yet looking and saying, oh, this
Not
is
yet.
great. But
Not yet.
In the plans?
Absolutely. I would love to expand to the Caribbean because one thing I wanted for the business was usability, something that you can use every day. I love coffee lover.
Yeah.
So they keep it warm for 6 hours. When I'm at work, even to the end, my last sip, it's hot. And for my water bottles, till the end of the day, a 12-hour shift. Yes, and I still have ice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just as important, you raise a good point, Nickeisha, because sometimes you get great artwork, but the cup is
not so great.
No.
And that was important when I was researching.
so they're well insulated.
They are,
and,
yeah.
Okay. All right. So for the folks who are watching, where do we find you? And in terms of price point, is this going to break our pocket or?
I believe it is reasonable, which is something, again, I wanted to make sure the business was. Our cups start from $1,900, the cup, and that's with design and cup. It's not just the cup and it's not just the design. And something like this full color is $3,800. You get a straw with it and it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Our pouches are $1,000.
Yeah.
And you
the
can put
bags?
just about anything. And the bags, this is a large bag. This is for $3,200.
What about the stickers?
The stickers are $450 each. These are 3-inch full color stickers. So they're great. You can put them on your computer, on your book, on your Kindle.
And the truth is, you may find something that's less expensive, but this is going to last.
This is going to last.
You years down the line, you'll still have it, and it will still stand up strong because nothing will be peeling.
Nothing will be fading. It will be there forever.
Yeah.
I can fix you up with that.
Hey. Everybody on the road is like, what does your cup say?
Simon, oh my. We definitely need to fix that before we leave. We need to fix that. Yeah. Yep.
You drop off. Okay.
Yeah.
Social media?
So on Instagram, we are sd.sublime designs.
Okay.
That's on Instagram and Facebook. And we launched a shop. We have a shop. This is a step I wanted to take
Like
to be more reachable. An online shop.
Okay.
An online shop,
Okay.
yeah. So that's where all the products are at. And it's Sublime Designs-sd.myshopify.com.
We need some t-shirts, please.
Apparel is in the works. Nothing before it's time.
So.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Definitely.
Congrats.
Thank you so
done.
much.
Love to see people living their dreams. We are not quite finished with this cup, but as soon as it is done, we will show you what the finished product looks like because we have to go.
No problem.
Her name is Nickeisha Toyloy, and she's the owner of Sublime Designs, giving us a lesson this morning that you feel something in your spirit.
You should act.
Do it.
Yep.
Don't regret 10 years down the line and say, boy, I wonder what did happen if I did start Sublime. Right? Okay, when we come back, some more fun on Smile. Stay tuned for that.